Hello, this is Gary LaRoy with Tax Pro EZ. In a prior video, I talked about full pay installment agreements to completely satisfy your debt with the IRS. Today I want to talk about another option for those who are not in a position to retire their debt fully with the IRS. There are three main options that the IRS can look at. One is what we call the partial pay installment agreement. In this installment agreement, you have to disclose your income and your assets, but the IRS looks at your ability to pay versus what you actually owe to the IRS. And if the amount that you can legitimately pay is substantially less than the amount that you owe or the amount that it would take to pay it on a regular basis, the IRS will consider a partial pay installment agreement, which means for a period, generally up to 2 years, you can pay that small amount and the IRS will consider you compliant for all tax matters. Now, at the end of that 2 years, they're going to evaluate it again to see if you can remain in that state. People do renew those partial pay installment agreements term after term until the expiration date is finished with their tax debt. Another alternative is called currently not collectible, and it's just what it sounds. Again, based on financial data, the IRS will determine that you cannot pay anything at all on your debt. Again, this is a 2-year moratorium on any debt payments. The clock keeps ticking on the statute of limitations, but you don't have to pay anything at all. And again, at the end of 2 years, the IRS will come back in and will evaluate your position. The third option is a kind of a unique option that generally we deal with our revenue officers in the higher dollar cases, but it is applicable in many different situations, and it's called the 1-year rule. You can afford to pay a very small amount for a year, but you know things are getting ready to change, and perhaps you're in a new business and your commissions keep rising, and you know that by a year you're going to be in pretty good position. Well, they'll take a lower amount for that first year and then expect a full pay agreement after that. These are some of the many options that are available to help settle your tax debt. Again, my name is Gary LaRoy with Tax Pro EZ. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any tax-related questions. My initial consultation is always free. And if you find the information provided of value, please comment below and share this video. Thanks for watching.